guys, welcome back to my channel. So I recently painted the interior of my house gray, and I currently have a natural pine 2-inch blind throughout my house, and I wanted to incorporate a more warm feel and something gray that will go with my walls and my floors. So I searched high and low for a tutorial on this and I couldn't find one. So I just decided to go for it, and I'm gonna share the results with you. You guys, this was an $11 update, and it's pretty time consuming, but if you have a little bit of extra time in your day, you can do this project slowly throughout your house if you wanna update your blinds. So I'm gonna show you step by step how I achieved the results that I will show you at the end of this video. Okay guys, first you're gonna wanna remove this valance from the top, and it should just slide or clip off. Remove the blinds. You're gonna have to lift this up, push this in, and this pulls up. And then it should just slide right out, and you can take it down. Okay, so I have my blinds laid out on the floor, and you're gonna wanna disassemble them now. And on the bottom, there's gonna be these little knobs. You're gonna wanna remove those and release the cords. Once you've removed, oh my gosh, don't look at my nails. Once you've removed the cord, there's gonna be a little knot in there, and you're gonna wanna untie that so you can take out the pull string. Once your knots have been removed or untied, I had to cut mine off because they were really tight. You're gonna pull this string. There's just one string in the middle, all the way out from all your blinds. Once the pull string is removed, you can start sliding out each slat. Okay, after all your slats are removed, you're just gonna wanna get a rag with some water and make sure that they're really clean. There's no dust or dirt on them, or if they were in the kitchen like mine, any grime or anything. So make sure they're really clean and then just let them dry. Okay, you guys, bear with me. I have super limited space, so I'm just gonna work with what I have. So I'm gonna dye the cords, and this is what I'm using. It's charcoal gray, the Rit gray, and I found this at Michael's. You can get it at Hobby Lobby, probably Joann Fabric. And I'm not following the directions that are on here. All I'm doing is mixing a little bit of that with some really hot water, and I'm just gonna dip all the cords in there because right now all my cords are pretty light, and I want them to blend in with the gray. So I'm just gonna soak them in this dye mixture with water for a couple minutes. This is a pain in my butt right now. So I'll show you the outcome after. We're staining now, and I just wanna show you, I'm using a 2-inch sponge, and this is a stain that I got from Home Depot. It is, I think it was $5.98 for this 8-ounce can. And I've done about two and a half sets of blinds, so I have a half left, which is pretty good. So this stain is a weathered gray, and I think you're supposed to put on just a very thin coat of it so you get the look of that old gray wood. I wanted mine a little bit darker than this, so I'm gonna be doing a little bit thicker coat on it. So stay tuned. Okay, so you're gonna wanna make sure you get the ends and also the sides, because you will see all of that. And then what I do normally is I just dip a little in there, and I'm gonna start in the middle and work my way out and do really even strokes so that you kind of get that wood grain effect. Or if you're doing a very light coat, that wood grain will show through. And here's the final look with the blinds closed. As you can see, it kind of has that weathered look, so it's not all one color. If you want a more solid color, you're probably better off painting them or doing another coat of stain, which is gonna take a long time, because it did take about a day for each side to dry completely. I did a medium coat. You could probably do a lighter coat if you want it a little bit lighter, or you can do a couple coats if you want it more of a solid color. But that's pretty much it, you guys. So if you have questions, leave a comment below, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Later.